sige.
You,
Yeah. You ask me if I love you.
you ask me if I love you.
I reply. Tayong tatlo.
Mataas eh.
I'd rather sabi, honestly than mislead with a lie.
And who am I to judge you, to what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. 'Cause sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die. Masyadong mababa.
Well, alam mo, may ibang version ako niyan. Yung, sometimes when we touch, the expense account is too much. Ayan. Yan ang paparakanta ng mga Ilocano yan.